Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you a free method that you can do today and start earning over $100,000 in income every single year on completely autopilot, passive income from the comfort of your home by just using AI. Yes, that's right. I'm going to show you step by step how to use AI to make multiple six figures in income from the comfort of your home. So let's dive into this video. First of all, what we need is we're going to need ChatGPT for this purpose. Okay, so we're going to go to ChatGPT, all right, and we are going to write a prompt. But before I do that, I'm going to show you proof that this works. The method that I'm about to teach you works, and if you start implementing it with a never giving up attitude, you can make $100,000 a year in income from the comfort of your home by doing this method. And yes, this method is free, all right? So let's just go to the YouTube channel and check this out. This YouTube channel called Medical Centric is posting videos, okay? They're just making a combination in a video of different images related to health, all right? They're not even getting so many views, but if you go into deep inside this YouTube channel and check what they're doing and how they are making all their money, all right, you could come here and you could see that their estimated yearly earning is £120,000. That's around $160,000 every year. This is the amount of money they are making, okay? And if you look at their videos, you can see the video, okay? It seems like it's AI generated. It's just a simple video, all right, with combination of different images, and they're using AI to do this, and you can do it too. In a moment, I'm going to share a platform that you can create these type of videos, okay? Just write a prompt and this AI software will go out there and create these powerful videos for you that you can upload to YouTube on a daily basis and start making money like this. And then the potential is huge, right? One is the money that comes from the views, the YouTube views. One is you can promote other people's products, okay? So if you're going to be into health related, health niche, you can promote other people's products. You could become an affiliate, you could promote a store, you could promote your own product, you could promote Amazon products, you could promote digital products, and there are so many products out there that you can use to make money online, okay? Another YouTube channel is called, if you look at this, Healthy Long Life, okay? 519,000 subscribers, okay? They're doing the same thing. If you look at the video, check this out. It's just a simple video with different images combination, and you can do this using AI. If I come here, you can see it's another video, all right, about herbs tea. You can see here it's another video, and this and this. And if I come to this platform here, you could see this person's earning £69,000 a year. Now, £69,000 is approximately over $100,000, and you can do this too, all right? And this income is coming just from the views. We're not talking about affiliate marketing. We're not talking about products. We're not talking about stores. We're talking about earning from views. And because the niche is related to health education, YouTube is going to pay you a lot of money for every 1,000 views, okay? So you can do this too. And so I'm going to show you now a platform that does all the heavy lifting for you, all right? Now, I'm going to have the link for this platform in my description box below this video. The platform you can join for free, but I recommend getting a paid subscription, okay? So the platform is called InVideo AI, okay? The link is going to be in my description box below this video. You could sign up for free and use it, but when you have a free version, the amount of AI videos that you can generate with text, etc., is very, very limited. The functions are very, very limited, okay? So I highly recommend you do upgrade. So the link is going to be in my description box below this video. You could click on that link and you can join this platform for free. Give it a test drive. If you love it, if you love what you're seeing, if you love what you, by using this platform, then you can go ahead and upgrade your account, and it is very cheap, very, very affordable. So let me show you what you need to do, okay? So first of all, we're going to come to ChatGPT, and I'm going to write something like, give me 10 best titles to create YouTube videos related to health. And let's see what ChatGPT has to come up with, okay? Okay, so now ChatGPT has given me 10 best titles, and I could see all these top titles, alright? So I could see that why you feel tired all the time and how to fix it. Now this is a very hot topic, okay? I've seen this floating around on social media, why you feel tired all the time and how to fix it. This is one of the hot topics out there, okay? 10 foods you should eat for healthier heart. Okay, so ChatGPT has come up with 10 best titles for me. I could choose just one of the titles and just tell ChatGPT to dive deep down and give me some more information about it. So what I have done is I've just come to this software, okay, and I'm just gonna copy and paste this whole thing here, right? So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna copy and paste it. This for sure. Okay, so I'm going to see what they have to offer. Create an educational YouTube video on the science behind the cold water, therapy for mental clarity. The video should maintain a fast-paced rhythm using an American male voice. You could do United Kingdom. Use and let me just do United Kingdom here. Okay, United Kingdom male voice last subtitle. And the best part about this software is that they can clone your voice as well. So you just record a 30-second audio and upload it, and then from there on they could use your voice to create these powerful videos. And the good part is that you can use these videos for YouTube videos, long form content, short form content like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And then you can monetize all these social media accounts and make thousands and thousands of dollars every single month without any investment. Okay, so if I scroll down, you could see here YouTube Explainer, YouTube Shorts, Explore All, and I could use the same video to upload on all the social media accounts. And you can do this today. If you're saying I don't have money, how should I do all this? You can start doing this today. No more excuse. Start doing this today. Okay, the link is going to be in the description box below this video to join this powerful tool, powerful software. It's free to sign up. Just sign up, give it a test drive, and if you love what you see, then you can expand it by uploading more and more videos by upgrading your account. And let me tell you, the price is extremely cheap, very cheap, and very, very affordable. But in the beginning, just sign up for free by clicking the link in the description box below this video and test drive this software, because this is a very, very powerful software. So let's just do this. Let's just go here, generate a video, and it's going to generate these videos for me. Okay, so it's going through the whole text, and then it's going to come up with some videos, and then I'm going to show you what these videos are going to look like and how you can do the same and start creating videos. And I'm just giving you an example of health related niche. You can do this. Okay, you can do this with affiliate marketing, you can do this with make money online, you could do this with sports, you could do this with anything. Okay, so audience is health. So it's asking me a couple of questions here, right? So I want this video to be for YouTube. Okay, look and feel, yeah, it's inspirational, and everything's just looking good. So I'm just going to go yes. All right, and now it's doing the job for me. Watch how powerful this is going to come out to be. All right, and you can do this, my friend. Okay, you don't have to show your face, you don't even have to talk, you don't have to do anything. Just come here, use this tool, start creating these powerful AI videos and upload it. Do you know TikTok is very, very hot right now? People are crushing it with TikTok. You could use this tool to create short TikTok videos, upload it on TikTok, and start crushing it with opportunities and revenue. All right, so you can do this. Okay, link in the description box below this video to join this tool. You can join for free. You just go to the sign up button, create your free account, and give it a test drive for free. All right, and if you love what you see and then you believe that you want to expand this and start doing it on a huge scale by creating videos for YouTube, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, etc., then you could go and upgrade your account as well. And I highly recommend you do that, because it's one of the best and powerful tools, AI tools, that will do all the heavy lifting for you. And I'm just giving you an example of the health related niche, because YouTube pays a lot of money for 1,000 views related to health and educational videos. Okay, but if you're not interested in health, you want to do something related to sports gardening, housing, or anything else, feel free to do so, because this will do the heavy lifting for you. Alright, so the video is coming up, it's 16%, and when it's ready I will come back online and let you know how it looks. So the video is ready. Now I can do a lot of stuff. I could just put a command here and I could put something like write me a subtitle, or I could put something like add extra images, and I could do so many stuff down here and click on generate, and it will generate a unique video for me. Alright, so I could just add emojis, I could add extra images, I could add extra animations, I could put a subtitle, I could even translate the video into a different language, and I could do so much stuff by just adding those extra prompts down here and clicking on generate. So let's just look at the video and let's see what it looks like.
From ancient practices to modern wellness trends, the power of cold water has captivated humanity for centuries. Cold water therapy, a practice involving brief but intense exposure to cold water, has emerged as a popular method for enhancing the act of immersing oneself in frigid temperatures, translated to a sharper, more focused mind. Imagine taking the plunge, the initial shock, the gasp for air, the rush of adrenaline. This natural response to cold.
Okay, so you can see that this video is looking so nice and so cool. Now imagine having these type of videos done for you using AI, uploading it to YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, etc., and boosting your followers and also making money. This is what's possible with this AI video generator. So link in the description box below this video. Join this software. It's free to join. You could test it out for free, and then once you want to take your business to the next level, you can upgrade your account and start making money. So if you got value from this video, give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I'm here to help you. I want to see you make thousands of dollars every single month from your internet business. I have generated multiple six figures online. I have generated over $1 million in sales in affiliate commissions, and I want to help you get the same results. So please give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. Smash the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have questions, just leave a comment. I do answer all the questions, making sure that you get what you need, and I try my best to help you make money online.